Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today I'm bringing you an exclusive review of the brand new MagCubic HY450C projector, the direct successor to the HY450. And I'll tell you right now, this little guy comes with several very interesting upgrades. Its biggest highlight is the ability to deliver huge screen sizes in very small spaces. With just 1.3 meters of distance, it already gives you almost a 100-inch image. It keeps the smoothest Android system I've ever tested, featuring 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. And it's highly compatible with a wide range of apps. Depending on your setup, you might not even need to use an HDMI cable to get the most out of this projector. And yes, it comes with a Bluetooth remote control with voice command, which I'll be showing you throughout the video. But before we begin, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming reviews. And of course, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about this model and which projector you'd like to see next here on the channel. Oh, and if you want to grab yours with total safety, the official MagCubic store link is right down in the description. It's a direct channel with the manufacturer, a reliable website, guaranteed delivery, and official customer support. So don't fall for fake offers out there, alright? Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Right away we can see the projector is well protected with foam padding, along with the manual, power cable, and the Bluetooth remote with voice command. A feature I already really liked. The main difference compared to the previous model, as you can probably already see in the video, is in its structure and design. It's now available only in this sleek black version, and it comes with a carry handle, which makes it much more portable. Besides that, it has a front infrared sensor, and just below it, a camera that handles the autofocus, which works brilliantly. One thing that really caught my attention with this projector was its brightness. It's about 15% brighter than the previous model. It still features 2 5-watt speakers, one on each side panel. At the back you'll find the standard ports, HDMI, USB, AUX, P2, and the power button. It also includes an adjustable stand to set the projection angle, 4 mounting points for ceiling brackets, and a removable filter that helps with regular lens cleaning. Here I've placed the projector 1.4 meters away from the screen. And look at this, it's already producing a 110-inch image. This is one of MagCubic's biggest highlights. Massive screens in compact spaces. At a distance of 2.6 meters from the screen, it reaches almost 190 inches. It's absolutely massive. It projects from bottom to top, which is something many people ask about with this model, since its projection angle is slightly different. That makes it perfect for ceiling mounting, as it's designed to project downwards when upside down. The autofocus works brilliantly. It adjusts itself within a few seconds. The sharpness is excellent, and the manual focus via the remote control also responds very quickly. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, offering great compatibility with apps like YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and even Netflix. And here's a tip: use MagCubic's own app store, because the apps there are optimized and even unlock 4K mode on YouTube. Let me give you a quick spoiler. This is MagCubic's best projector so far in terms of image quality. The picture looks fantastic. You can clearly see the details, the colors are vibrant, and the brightness has definitely improved. Both this model and the HY450 run extremely smoothly. The system is responsive and easy to navigate. We'll get into the settings in a moment, but I have to say, the voice command on this projector works really well. You can install some apps from Google Play, but there's also MagCubic's own app store. Here, take a look at the pre-installed apps. There's a screen mirroring feature that works with iOS, Android, wired or wireless connections. And everything runs perfectly. But the important part is using MagCubic's official app store. That's where you should install your apps, especially YouTube and Disney+. Don't bother downloading them from Google Play, because through MagCubic's store, the apps come optimized with better image quality, particularly YouTube, which even enables 4K playback through that version. Now let's browse through Prime Video so you can see the image quality this projector delivers. I'll also show you that I'm running YouTube and Netflix directly from the projector itself. Quickly going through the settings. Right on the home screen, you can clear the system cache and close background apps. You can also set any image as your background. Just place it in the projector's internal storage, or use one of the default wallpapers provided. From here, you can also manage Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, but I'll open this other menu since it includes some additional settings. Here you can adjust the screen mode, with several options available. If the projector is mounted upside down, you can use this feature to flip the image. You can also modify the projected image scale, use automatic keystone correction, autofocus, which works really well on this projector, and even adjust it manually if needed. And of course, there's also the section for Wi-Fi connection setup. The Bluetooth is already connected to the Bluetooth remote control that features voice command. Here are the apps, where you can manage and organize them. In this section, you'll find the language, date, and time settings. Under Other Settings, you can set a screensaver to activate after 20 minutes. You can turn it on or off. And there's also a sleep timer that you can set for up to 1 hour. Further down, there's the option to restore factory settings. And under About Projector, you'll see HY450C, Android 11, 1080p, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. Now I'll show you how to install Netflix, and then we'll browse through Prime Video a bit so you can see how smoothly the system runs these apps. The image quality is excellent. Everyone, I'm not including the audio here due to copyright reasons, but I'll now leave you with some YouTube footage so you can take a look for yourselves. So after all these tests, what did I think of the MagCubic HY450C? In my opinion, it's currently the best MagCubic projector in the full HD range. Positive points: excellent brightness and color quality, fast and accurate autofocus, good quality stereo sound, Bluetooth remote with voice command, and a smooth Android system compatible with many apps. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and cost-effective projector, the MagCubic HY450C is an excellent choice. Enjoyed the review? Then make sure to leave a like, drop a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. There's a comparison with the HY450 coming soon. And don't forget, the official MagCubic store link is right here in the description. Buying from there guarantees you an original product, official warranty, and it also helps support the channel to keep growing. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.